All right, Georgia children, another good. My name is Lily of the Valley, and I'm Jehovah's child, and I'm bringing you peace, blessing, greeting, solutions in the name of the Messiah, Jesus Christ of Nazareth, our King. So you look in here, when you're on a fixed income, you gotta barter, you gotta have the community. This is my neighbor next door. He gave me all these pots. So I gotta grow my own medicine, my own food, because when you're on a fixed income, inflation eat up all of it. So I get a lot of these things at Goodwill and I use them to start my seeds. Goodwill used to be cheap, but they're not cheap anymore. So these are what my neighbor gave me. And this table as well, and all of these pots. So I'm gonna be using them to plant herbs, and then I'll give his household some, because some people gotta grow the medicine. And this I think is a, what do you call this now, part of a tool shed kind of thing. I'm gonna wash it down. So all of those came from my neighbor. So we gotta reduce, reuse, recycle, and this will keep the backyard organized with my tools and stuff. And this can be a prepping table as well. And this are all these pots. So I thank my community and my neighbor. And when I grow this stuff, I give them some as well. So we gotta barter. We gotta learn to go back to the basics of the Bible, where it say, be charitable, and our households help each other. So bartering is good, and following the ways of the Most High is better. So go back to your scriptures, go back to basics. With that, I say shalom.